So in the last lecture, we have started with carboxylic acid and derivatives. And उसमें हमने ये ऐसा कुछ बात किया. The characteristic reactions of carboxylic acids and derivatives are nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction, which are also termed as SNAC2. SN indicates substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. AC indicates the substitution is happening at acyl carbon. ये जो RC double bond 2 है, this is called as acyl. 2 indicates bimolecular. You will be replacing this Z with one of the nucleophile. So the substitution is happening at the acyl carbon, hence it is called as nucleophilic acyl substitution. You can have two different types of mechanisms, one involving a strong nucleophile and the other involving a weak nucleophile. Strong nucleophile के केस में वो जो nucleophile है डायरेक्टली acyl carbon के ऊपर या carbonyl carbon के ऊपर अटैक करेगा and there will be substitution. In case of weak nucleophile, first there will be protonation of this particular oxygen, which will increase the electrophilic character of this carbon. Then the weak nucleophile can go and attack on this carbon. There will be a proton exchange. अभी ये जो proton exchange होने के बाद ये जो lone pair है, it will be forming the pi bond and ZH will be acting as the leaving group. अगर ये यहीं पे फिर से lone pair double bond बना दिया तो you will be having YH as the leaving group. You will get back the initial reactant. Okay. After proton exchange, if you are forming the double bond, there will be ZH which acts as the leaving group. Initially जो हमने catalyst दिया था वो वापस बाहर आने के बाद you will be getting the substituted product. So हमको different carboxylic acid derivatives के reactivity order, the reactivity order of carboxylic acid derivatives in nucleophilic acyl substitution. That particular question is very important. You will definitely get that question in any of the sessions of JEE Mains. Reactivity order of carboxylic acid derivatives. So let us try to analyze that. Reactivity order of carboxylic acid derivatives. So general reactivity order लिखते समय कहने से जिस कार्बन के ऊपर if the positive charge is more will be its reactivity because nucleophile readily जाके attack करेगा. This is one of the conditions for analyzing the reactivity, and the other is the strength of this carbon and Z bond. अगर ये bond weak है तो वो easily break हो जाएगा. अगर ये bond strong है तो it will take some amount of effort in order to break this bond. Okay, so we need to analyze the reactivity based on the electrophilic nature of this carbon and the strength of this C bond Z. So overall reactivity order पहले आपको दे रहा हूं मैं. Acyl chloride or acid chloride or RC double bond or Cl is considered to be highly reactive, followed by acid anhydride RC double bond O C double bond O some R, followed by thioester RC double bond O SR, followed by carboxylic acids RC double bond O OH, followed by esters RC double bond OR dash, and सबसे least reactive जो है it is amide RC double bond O NH2. Highly reactive is acid chloride, followed by anhydride, thioester, carboxylic acid, ester, and the least reactive compound is amide. ये ऑर्डर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैन समवन टेल मी द रीजन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर? आप लोग को क्या लग रहा है, आप बताओ. In any of the carboxylic acid derivative, there is resonance of the group attached to the acyl carbon. ये जो Cl है इसके ऊपर लोन पेयर है. ये जो ऑक्सीजन है इसके ऊपर लोन पेयर है. सल्फर के ऊपर लोन पेयर है. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर लोन पेयर. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर लोन पेयर. नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर लोन पेयर. In all the cases there can be resonance. If there is resonance, ये जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप के ऊपर जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है और जो पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेगा, it will be significantly decreased. Okay, ठीक है. In all the cases there is resonance, but in case of acid chloride, the resonance is between कार्बन के ऊपर you have 2p orbital and chlorine का जो लोन पेयर है it is present in 3p orbital. 2p और 3p के बीच में साइज डिफरेंस होने की वजह से that resonance is not so effective. Because of that less effectiveness in the resonance, RC double bond और Cl जो है it is considered to be highly reactive. Okay. अभी ये जो उसके बाद एसिड एनहाइड्राइड को बोल रहा हूं मैं. एसिड एनहाइड्राइड में क्या हो रहा है? द रेजोनेंस इज बिकॉज ऑफ 2p2p. वो जो कार्बन है वो भी 2p है, ऑक्सीजन का लोन पेयर है वो भी 2p है, बट दैट पर्टिकुलर लोन पेयर इज गोइंग इन रेजोनेंस विथ 2 कार्बोनिल ग्रुप्स. दोनों के साइड में जा रहे हैं ना. ये जो लोन पेयर है इट इज गोइंग इन रेजोनेंस विथ दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप एज वेल एज विथ दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. because of that there is some ineffective resonance, or else इसके ऊपर जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो सफिशिएंट है. ज्यादा ये कम हुआ है because of resonance, but उतना कम नहीं हो पाया because this lone pair is participating in resonance in both the sides. Okay, again अभी SR के केस में, SR के केस में the resonance is between, again it is between 2p as well as 3p, बट एसिड क्लोराइड के कंपैरिजन में इसका रिएक्टिविटी कम है. रीजन क्या है? क्लोरीन ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू सल्फर. सो क्लोरीन विल रेडीली क्लोरीन विल नॉट रेडीली गिव इट्स लोन पेयर इन रेजोनेंस. सल्फर बीइंग लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव वो रेजोनेंस में आसानी से दे सकता है, बट एज द रेजोनेंस इज फॉर 2p 3p और रेजोनेंस का इफेक्टिवनेस कम रहेगा. ओके, एसिड एनहाइड्राइड और थायोएस्टर में थायोएस्टर का ही कम हो रहा है बिकॉज सल्फर बीइंग लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव इट इज गिविंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इधर ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे नहीं रहे, मोर ओवर इट इज गिविंग इन 2 डायरेक्शंस. एज अ रिजल्ट एसिड एनहाइड्राइड इज हैविंग ग्रेटर रिएक्टिविटी देन थायोएस्टर. इज दिस क्लियर? ओके.
हाँ सर.
अभी ये एसिड और एस्टर और एमाइड, इन केसेस में the lone pair is going in resonance with only with one carbonyl carbon C double bond हो, इसलिए इनका रिएक्टिविटी इनसे कम है. अभी एसिड और एस्टर में ये जो R डैश जो है अल्काइल ग्रुप इट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ना, so it is making this lone pair to participate in resonance more and more when compared to this OH. so इसलिए इसका रिएक्टिविटी इससे कम हुआ. बाकी सब केसेस में यू आर हैविंग 2p2p, ये भी 2p ये भी 2p and it is going in one only in one side. ये भी 2p2p and this is also 2p2p. Amide is considered to be least reactive because nitrogen का electronegativity भी कम है. It can easily give the lone pair in resonance when compared to oxygen. Oxygen being more electronegative वो आसानी से दे नहीं रहे. But ये एस्टर के केस में क्या हुआ? Alkyl group being an electron releasing group, it is making this oxygen to make its lone pair to give its lone pair in resonance. Okay, is this clear? अगर आप लोग को रीजन याद भी नहीं रहा एग्जाम के टाइम पे, minimum you need to know the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity तो आप लोग को definitely पता होना ही चाहिए. They will give you some set of carboxylic acid derivatives and they will ask you what is the order of reactivity in any reaction. कोई एक specific reaction दिया जाएगा, so उस particular reaction में what is the order of reactivity they will ask. Is this clear? इसलिए हम कुछ cases में like in for the formation of esters, alcohol plus acid or alcohol plus acid anhydride or acyl chloride, alcohol plus carboxylic acid derivative will give you esters करके बात करके इन दोनों के साथ ही हम रिएक्शन दिखाते हैं. बाकी सब चीजों के साथ कभी रिएक्शन नहीं दिखाया एमाइड के साथ, इनके साथ, because these are very less reactive. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
ओके, सो इनका रीजंस लिखते हैं. RC डबल बॉन्ड O हर किसी चीज में Z के ऊपर लोन पेयर है. If that lone pair is going in resonance, you will get RC bond O minus double bond Z positive. If you are having effective resonance, then इसके बीच में double bond character ज़्यादा आएगा, so the strength of the C bond Z increases. We are trying to compare the reactivity based on the charge on this particular carbonyl carbon as well as the strength of this particular C bond Z. Due to double bond character, during resonance. Okay. Greater is the extent of lone pair donation by Z stronger is the CZ bond and therefore it would be difficult to break the bond. Hence reactivity would decrease. Okay, ठीक है. और जो anhydride है, anhydride's reactivity is more than esters, thioester, carboxylic acid and amide. Reason क्या है? The reason is two carbonyl groups are competing for that particular lone pair on oxygen. So जो resonance है effectively नहीं हो पाएगा. The anhydride reactivity is more than the esters acids or amides has two carbonyl groups are competing for the same lone pair. Are competing for the same lone pair. As a result, the double bond character in C bond O decreases and is easier to break. And अगर वो आसानी से ब्रेक हो गया तो उसका रिएक्टिविटी ज्यादा है and is easier to break. Clear? यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? ओके ये जो एमाइड के केस में रेजोनेंस इतना ज्यादा सिग्निफिकेंट है, ये जो एमाइड है the amide becomes a planar molecule or else ये जो नाइट्रोजन कार्बन ऑक्सीजन एंड ये जो हाइड्रोजन से all of them belong lie in the same plane. ये जो particular lone pair है, if it is not undergoing resonance, what should be its hybridization? It has to be in sp3 hybridized state. But in order to have the lone pair to participate in resonance, it has to be sp2. अगर ये sp2 में रहा तो this particular lone pair will be in a parallel orbital and it can undergo resonance. है ना? So ये जो amide है, the amide molecule, because of its significant resonance participation, we say it is a planar molecule. This is also one of the important points. Amide resonance plays a very important role amide resonance plays a very important role in its structure. The groups attached to nitrogen lie in the same plane. मतलब if you have R C double bond O nitrogen, this is also a trigonal planar molecule because this lone pair must participate in resonance. If it is participating in resonance, O minus double bond nitrogen, उसके ऊपर positive R dash R double dash. So what is the hybridization of this nitrogen? It is sp2. sp2 मतलब trigonal planar. ये जो particular point है statement है, this is important for JEE advanced. Means के लिए उतना ये जो point है उतना ज़्यादा importance नहीं है, but you need to know this. And in amide, the groups attached to nitrogen will lie in the same plane as that of nitrogen because of its sp2 hybridization. Okay, let's start with analysis of individual carboxylic acid derivatives. First, we will start with acyl chlorides. Can anyone tell me one preparation method for acyl chloride?
From carboxylic acid.
Sorry?
Carboxylic acids.
From carboxylic acids. How can you prepare acyl chloride from carboxylic acid? What is the reaction involved? What is the reagent?
PCl3.
Very good. Very good. PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. ऑलरेडी हमने ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स में मार्क किया. You can use PCl3, or you can also use PCl5, or you can use SOCl2. The products found will be, in all the cases, you will get RC double bond O Cl. In case of PCl3, the byproduct is H3PO3. In case of PCl5, the byproduct is POX3 POCl3 plus HX or HCl. In case of SOCl2, you have gaseous products HO2 plus HCl. So the efficient way of preparation of RC double bond of Cl is using SOCl2. You can get pure form of RC double bond of Cl because SO2 and HCl formed are gaseous products. They can be easily removed from the system. Okay, बस इतना ही है. These are the preparation methods. You will prepare from carboxylic acid. Let us see reactions. मैं आपको एक टेबल बना के देता हूँ. Try to complete that particular reactions. H2O के साथ, which is nothing but hydrolysis. With alcohol. In the presence of pyridine. R-COH. Again in presence of pyridine. Two-degree amine. R-MgX Grignard reagent. One equivalent. Try to form the products. मार्क किया? What are the characteristic reactions of carboxylic acid derivatives?
Nucleo-
Those are nucleophilic substitution reactions. So in particular reagents may identify the nucleophile and attach that onto the carbon and remove Cl. You will get the product. Identify the nucleophile, attach that onto the carbonyl carbon, and you will get the product. So starting case में the nucleophile is H2O. The nucleophile is H2O. So H2O जाके attack करने के बाद in the process you will also remove H positive. So in cases में you need to have an acid catalyst. You will get RC double bond OH plus HCl. Second case में the nucleophile is R dash OH. RC double bond O R dash, or you got an ester. Acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester. Yeah, acid derivative, which can be an acid chloride or an acid anhydride, plus alcohol will give you ester. Okay. अब इस केस में न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ऑक्सीजन जो है that is that O bond H वाला. So react that with RC double bond of Cl, you will get an anhydride. Plus HCl. R2 NH, R2 dash NH मतलब you will get RC double bond O N R2 dash. ओके मतलब R dash जो है वो 2 है. R2 dash का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे एक R dash, यहाँ पे एक R dash. ओके प्लस HCl. R2CuLi. ये जो R2CuLi है, it is the source of carbanion. So this is the source of R minus. In fact, ये जो RMGX है, Grignard reagent, और R dash minus इस केस में, this is also source of carbanion. So in दो cases में the nucleophile is the carbanion. So you will get RC double bond O R dash. इस केस में भी RC double bond O R dash. The product formed is ketone. If you are having more than one equivalent of RMGX, in that case you will be getting an alcohol. So are these set of reactions clear?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next set. RC double bond O Cl. R2 dash CD dialkyl cadmium. And you can use LaH or LiAlH4 na, or you can also use NaBH4 or LiAlH OCMa thrice lithium tri tert butoxy aluminum hydride. This is tert butoxy lithium aluminum hydride. उसके साथ रिएक्शन मैं बताऊंगा आपको. H2 palladium BSO4, which is also called as Lindlar's catalyst. ARH AlCl3. Try to mark the products. Lithium tri tertiary butoxy. Aluminum hydride. LiAlH टू डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम जो है it is also a source of carbanion R minus. Okay, आप लोग मार्क किया होगा प्रोडक्ट्स. ये जो this is also source of R minus, right? So even in this case you will get a ketone R C double bond O R dash. LiLH4 NaBH4 के साथ क्या होगा रिएक्शन?
हाइड्राइड होगा, एल्डिहाइड.
हाइड्राइड होगा, एल्डिहाइड नहीं, it will be converting into alcohol. ये जो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट है it will be converting into alcohol. पहले एल्डिहाइड में कन्वर्ट होगा, that aldehyde will further convert into alcohol RCH2OH. aldehyde plus LiLH4 reaction क्या है और NaBH4, it will be converting that aldehyde part into alcohol, so you are getting an alcohol. So if you want to stop the reaction, at aldehyde stage, you need to add a weaker reducing agent, which is lithium tri-tertiary butoxy aluminum hydride. So ये reagent अगर आप लोग add किया तो then the reaction will halt at aldehyde stage. If you are using LiLH4 or NaBH4, the reaction will further continue because these are very good sources of hydrides when compared to LiAlOCme thrice whole thrice. Okay. So इस context में वो जो reaction है, it will stop at aldehyde stage. This will be the product. Lindlar's catalyst के साथ इस केस में क्या होगा? आंसर, ये जो पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन, सॉरी
OH और Cl अटैच होगा.
ये जो यहाँ पे Cl के प्लेस में H अटैच होगा, दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन मेथड फॉर aldehyde. Preparation methods of aldehydes from carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid derivatives करके अलग से पढ़ा हमने aldehydes ketone chapter में. And this particular reaction is called as Rosenmund's reduction. Very important. इसी कंटेक्स्ट में हम स्टीफेंस रिएक्शन भी बाद में देखा था, याद है? This is Rosenmund's reduction. स्टीफेंस रिएक्शन में, और स्टीफेंस रिएक्शन में क्या होता है? First you will be adding SnCl2 plus HCl, which on hydrolysis will give you aldehyde. If you take RC triple bond and nitrile, SnCl2 plus HCl or Sn plus HCl, any active metal with HCl acts as reducing agent. First that will be converting into imine. That imine on hydrolysis will convert into aldehyde. Please go through aldehydes ketones notes thoroughly. Very important. अभी ARH in the presence of AlCl3. What is meant by ARH? ARH is nothing but benzene. What are the characteristic reactions of benzene compounds? They are
EAS.
EAS reactions. So AlCl3 के साथ first you will be forming an electrophile which is RC double bond O positive. This electrophile will be attacking on the benzene. This electrophile will be attacking on the benzene to have an EAS reaction. So you will get RC double bond O AR plus HCl. ये जो reaction है, this is nothing but the Friedel-Crafts acylation. I hope this is clear. नीट के लिए यूजुअली नीट में ये बहुत कुछ, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत कुछ दिखता है. Whenever you take aromatic acyl chloride, ArC double bond of Cl, and if you are converting that into ester or amide, if you want to convert that into ester, you need to react that with alcohol. If you want to convert that into amide, you need to react that with an amine. Okay. The products are ArC double bond O R dash. In this case, ArC double bond O and H R dash. ये amide है. ये जो reaction होता है, this reaction happens under a condition called Schotten-Bowman condition. Esterification of an aromatic acyl chloride. That particular reaction condition is called as Schotten-Bowman condition. बस इतना ही याद रखना है. They will give you this reaction, then they will ask you this particular reaction is an example for. You need to mark the answer as Schotten-Bowman condition. Clear? किनके लिए? Aromatic acyl chlorides. The reaction of aromatic acyl chlorides converting into an amide or an ester. Next, end of acid chlorides. Next set of reactions for acid anhydrides. Okay, tell me the preparation method for acid anhydride. Carboxylic acid. from carboxylic acid. If you are treating carboxylic acid with any dehydrating agent, you can remove water molecule from 2 molecules of carboxylic acid using a dehydrating agent. You can remove water, R C double bond OH, R dash C double bond OH, or in this case I'm taking the same carboxylic acid. Simply remove H2O. P4O10, heat. It will give you R C double bond O C double bond R. Okay. And any other reaction method? Just अभी देखा हमने. You can get an anhydride. You can get an anhydride from RC double bond Cl by treating that with an acid. So we will also mark that RC double bond Cl plus carboxylic acid C double bond R dash in the presence of pyridine. ये जो pyridine है, usually it is added in order to absorb the HCl formed. Pyridine is a base, so it will be reacting with the HCl to form salt. So और जो HCl है सिस्टम से उसको हटाने के लिए, because you can have a backward reaction. Anhydride जो है, it can react with HCl to form acyl chloride. So pyridine इसलिए ऐड करते हैं in order to absorb the HCl formed. So whenever you are having HCl as one of the product, you can add pyridine. Okay. Complete these reactions. What is the name of these two acids? What is the name of this acid?
Malonic.
ये मैलिक एसिड है, मैलोनिक नहीं, मैलिक है. ये जो एसिड है, दिस इज सक्सिनिक एसिड. मैलोनिक एसिड इज ओम्स के एप्ले में COH के बीच में एक CH2 ही रहेगा. That is malonic acid. This is malic acid. Malic acid and fumaric acids are cis trans isomers. आप लोग लिख लिए होंगे products. In the first case, you will be forming acetic anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Second case में सक्सिनिक एनहाइड्राइड जो ऑलरेडी हमने मार्क किया था, succinic anhydride, and this in this case will form malic anhydride. Okay. Next, reactions. Again, characteristic reactions of carboxylic acid derivatives. They are nucleophilic acyl substitution. So I will give you some set of reactions. Complete them. R C double bond O C double bond O R. टू के साथ R dash OH not 2 dash NH. I'm taking two equivalents. ARH in the presence of AlCl3, PCl5, R dash MgX, one equivalent, LiAlH4. In the second step, H3O positive. Complete these reactions. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. इस केस में वो जो एनहाइड्राइड है सिमेट्रिकल एनहाइड्राइड दिया आपको, एग्जाम में यूजुअली सिमेट्रिकल एनहाइड्राइड नहीं मिलता है. इन दैट केस यू नीड टू प्रेडिक्ट ऑन विच पर्टिकुलर कार्बन द अटैक विल टेक प्लेस. जिनके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज्यादा रहेगा, मतलब ये जो अल्काइल ग्रुप है, इट हैज टू बी लेस इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग. ओके, उसके ऊपर जाके अटैक होगा. अभी इस केस में सिमेट्रिकल है ना, सो आप लोग कहीं पे भी ब्रेक कर सकते हो, इट डजंट मैटर. सो अभी के लिए मैं यहाँ पे ब्रेक कर रहा हूँ. बचा हुआ ये पार्ट होगा, ये इसके ऊपर जाके अटैक होगा. ओके.
हाँ.
तो फर्स्ट केस में होगा क्या, one of them will be converting into carboxylic acid RCOH. एक्चुअली क्या होता है, इधर OH2 पॉजिटिव एंड ये कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन जैसे जाएगा. ये जो OH2 पॉजिटिव है, H पॉजिटिव उसके अंदर से निकल के, that H positive will be added to RCO minus to convert that into carboxylic acid. So you will get 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Clear?
हाँ.
Okay. इस केस में क्या होगा, one of them will be converting into ester, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर अटैक होते समय remove this RC double bond O part. So OR dash यहाँ पे अटैक होके it will be converting into ester, and the other, the leaving group part will be converting into carboxylic acid. So ये मिलेगा. Okay, if that R dash OH, if this is present in excess, फिर से ये इसके ऊपर अटैक होके you will convert that into ester. So it depends upon question. If they are giving one equivalent, ये दोनों रहेगा. If you have excess amount of R dash OH, you will be converting this also into ester. Okay, so I can mark this converts into this if R dash OH is in excess. Okay, in this case I'm adding 2 moles or 2 equivalents of R dash NH. So पहले R dash NH जो है उसके ऊपर अटैक होके you will be forming an amide, double bond O N R2 dash plus this particular part will be converting into carboxylic acid, right? So ये carboxylic acid है, amine जो है वो base है. Acid और base के बीच में reaction होके क्या होगा, there will be formation of salt. This converts into RCOOH. ये जो है, this is an amine which is a base. So there will be an acid base reaction to form a salt. अगर उसको heat किया तो आप लोग, it will convert into amide. So पहले क्या होगा, minus NH2 R2 dash यहाँ पे positive. Clear? If you are heating this, this will also convert into this. amide में convert होगा ना? अगर उसको heat किया तो it converts into amide. Clear? Again ये benzene है, AlCl3 Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So you will get RC double bond O AR plus HCl. AlCl3 जो कैटलिस्ट है वो वैसा ही रहेगा. PCl5 के साथ one will be converting into RC double bond और Cl. वो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जो है वो फिर से PCl5 के साथ रिएक्ट करके you will be forming 2 RC double bond और Cl, and the byproduct is OX3 POCl3. Okay, clear? Any doubt? ये वन इक्वेलेंट दिया है, so it will convert into RC double bond R dash, बचा हुआ पार्ट MgO C double bond RX. Any doubt? LiLH4 के साथ ये वाला पार्ट एक अल्कोहल है, ये वाला पार्ट एक अल्कोहल है, so we will be converting this into 2 molecules of alcohol, 2 RCH2OH. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in any of the reactions? No, right? Okay, complete this reaction. What is this acid called? Salicylic acid. Very good. Complete this reaction, get the product. ये जो है अल्कोहल है, अल्कोहल विल बी रिएक्टिंग विद एसिड और एसिड एनहाइड्राइड टू फॉर्म एस्टर. सो ये जो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट है, दिस विल बी अटैक्ड बाय द अल्कोहल. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इसको कुछ नहीं करेगा. अल्कोहल जो है दैट विल बी अटैकिंग हियर टू फॉर्म व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म्ड? एस्टर along with कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड वो भी है. CH3, यहाँ पे you have COOH and remaining part is CH3COOH. This is called as aspirin. I think we have seen this reaction in alcohols, phenols, ethers chapter. Okay, this is aspirin, also called as orthoacetyl CH3C double bond O, orthoacetyl salicylic acid. Okay, next reaction. Complete this reaction. An aromatic aldehyde with acetic anhydride CH3 in the presence of CH3COONA, CH3COOH delta. Try to complete this reaction. Reaction कहीं पे देखा कभी? This reaction is Perkin condensation or Perkins reaction. If you have an active methylene group, ये जो CH2 है, this is called as active methylene group. करना क्या है, ये इसके साथ रिएक्ट करके you will be converting this into OH. भूल गए क्या, H2O हटा के you will form a double bond, CH double bond CH. The remaining part is carboxylic acid. What is the name of this acid?
Alpha beta unsaturated.
Cinnamic acid.
This is cinnamic acid. Yeah, alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid सही है. And you in this case you get cinnamic acid. Perkins condensation important है. Okay, this is an important reaction, very important reaction with respect to JEE. याद रखो, the reagent is an aromatic aldehyde with acid anhydride. Okay, next, esters. पहले preparation. Tell me some preparation methods for esters. Most common, acid plus alcohol will give you ester. R C double bond O OH plus R dash OH in the presence of an acid catalyst. Fischer-Spire esterification में देखा है ना, you will get R C double bond O R dash plus H2O. You can get that from acyl chloride, R C double bond O Cl plus R dash OH. In this case, we will be adding pyridine because you will be forming HCl as one of the product. In order to remove HCl, you will be adding pyridine. You will get again R C double bond O R dash plus HCl. Can you form an ester from anhydride? Again, by reaction with alcohol. R dash OH. If the alcohol is in excess, you will get 2 molecules of ester or 2 moles of ester, or else you will get 1 mole of ester and 1 mole of carboxylic acid. Clear?
Sir.
Example, CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3 plus यहाँ पे CH2OH. If I am taking an OH-CH3 group, mark the product. और जो alcohol है, you just need to identify the groups which are present here. This is an alcohol. Alcohol will be reacting with this in the substitution reaction. इस oxygen के ऊपर जो lone pair है, that lone pair is in resonance, so it is a poor nucleophile. इस oxygen के ऊपर जो lone pair है, that is not in resonance, so इसको आपको इसके ऊपर attack करवाना पड़ेगा. And this is symmetrical. If it is not symmetrical, the one which is more reactive in nucleophilic substitution, you need to identify that and you need to have that attack. So what will be the product? यहाँ पे CH2O C double bond O CH3, this will be OCH3 only, plus CH3 C double bond O OH. अगर ये जो रिएक्टेंट है ये एक्सेस में है तो दिस विल फर्दर, ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है या अल्कोहल, इन दोनों के बीच में फर्दर रिएक्शन होके यू विल अगेन गेट एन एस्टर. ओके, इनके अलावा कोई एनी अदर प्रिपरेशन मेथड? कैन वी गेट एन एस्टर फ्रॉम कीटोन? कैन वी गेट एन एस्टर फ्रॉम कीटोन? आप लोग को बेयर विनेगर ऑक्सीडेशन याद है? ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ कीटोन्स in the presence of epoxy acid. The choice of peroxy acid can be H2O2, H2SO5, CF3, CO3H, CH3CO3H. You will be inducing oxygen on that particular side which is more electron releasing. The electron releasing you need to compare only with inductive effect or resonance. You will not be comparing it with hyperconjugation. Okay, and the reaction is called as Baeyer-Williger oxidation. This is also one of the important reactions. I will give you some examples, complete those reactions. You need to see which particular alkyl group is more electron releasing, and the electron releasing nature is compared based on resonance and inductive effect. You won't be seeing the hyperconjugation. H2SO5, or you can use MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid, or H2O2. Induct oxygen on that particular side which is more electron releasing. आंसर इस केस में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड ऑक्सीजन?
Right.
लेफ्ट. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा कार्बन है ना, यू वोंट बी कंपेयरिंग यूजिंग हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन. इवन दो राइट हैंड साइड में आप लोग को 3 हाइड्रोजन से हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन से नहीं देखना है, 3 अल्काइल ग्रुप से मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड?
Right.
अगेन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. बेंजीन ग्रुप जो है रेजोनेंस के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज कर सकता है ना. क्या हुआ प्रथमेश, हमेशा राइट राइट करके बोल रहे हैं, अब बताओ.
Be right.
अभी राइट. ओके, O CH2 CH3. क्लियर है?
हाँ,
चाहिए तो यहाँ पे एक मार्क करो. Check only inductive effect plus I and plus M. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग होना चाहिए. प्लस I और प्लस M. और एक रिएक्शन है from which you can form an ester. If you take silver salt of carboxylic acid, RC double bond O minus Ag positive. Silver salt of carboxylic acid with an alkyl halide R dash X. Again ये जो R dash X है प्रेफरेबली वो 1 डिग्री होना चाहिए. 2 डिग्री और 3 डिग्री के साथ एलिमिनेशन होगा. So it will convert into an ester plus will form AgX, which is a precipitate. Okay. Is this clear? We will go to reactions of esters and we will see preparation methods and reactions of amides in the next lecture. That will be the end of carboxylic acid derivatives chapter. Okay, so you have one more lecture. After this lecture, we will be wrapping up carboxylic acid derivatives chapter.